I have 3 more Gatefold cards for you. And I used this cute little Tilda with the little dog because I had this other great paper collection I purchased from an Etsy store, digital paper collection. So I used my brand new cat scrappiness tag die to put her on. This is a shaker pocket. And I just embellished with this little paw print and some seam binding for the tag. Really simple on the outside, but really, really cute. And then when it opens up, it opens like this. And on the inside, we have another tag die and another paw print up at the top. And then I die cut this wolf, and that is also from Cat Scrappiness. And then I just layered on a banner. So really, really cute. Then our little photo mat back here has a little bone. I fussy cut the bone and the 2 dog food bowls from the collection. So there you go. That is card number 1. Card number 2 is this one. And I know you can hardly tell there's a shaker pocket, but there is a little heart shaker. There you can see. So I covered it up with this applique and this flower, but you can still see the sequins inside the shaker pocket, and it still makes your shaker noise. So this is another collection from that same digital paper artist, and I have my little flower cluster. I have a flower applique and some sprays. I made a sheer bow, and I layered a flower applique and the bling flower. Then of course my sweet little Tilda holding a heart, and when it opens up, it opens flat like this. And I was asked how big this card is when it's opened up. It's 6 by 12 when it's fully opened. And I used that beautiful die cut for the person to write their personal message. So when it's displayed like that. And I used my Martha Stewart butterfly punch to punch the top of that for the photo mat. The pull-out photo mat. So very, very pretty card. Card number 2. Card number 3 is not a Magnolia Tilda card. This one is a saturated Canary. And isn't she gorgeous? She is also one of my favorites from Krista Smith's digital images. And I've used her a lot of times. She is also a shaker. So you can see behind her, there's all kinds of shaker bits in there. I have another Wild Orchid Craft flower cluster with appliques. And I use this real pretty die behind her from Marianne Designs. And it's just the shape die, and then I just used an oval to cut out the circle and make that into a shaker. And then I have my sheer bow, and I have a resin bow on top of that. So this one opens like this. So pretty, the pinks and purples. And then when it's displayed like this. I used that same die to make a nice sentiment, personal sentiment area. And then this is the pull out. This is a Marianne Designs die as well. And that slides back in there. All right, let me pull all these out and let you tell me which one you liked the best. And if you want to tell me why, you know, I love that too. So thanks for stopping by today. I hope you're not getting tired of these cards. I am having fun. They're very time consuming and they use a lot of paper, but for special occasions, they're really worth it. All right, have a happy scrappy day. And I do have a tutorial on how to make these cards. If you look under my tutorials, it was just one video back, you'll be able to see. Thanks so much. Have a happy scrappy day.